What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO Stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with amazing fundamental news, and I have to say that we have very good news directly related to NIO. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that you can enter your position on the retracement, but this retracement shouldn't be very deep. It might be very shallow retracement, and it happened. It happened very shallow. We didn't hit a lower price action. We had about 3% of retracement, and this level might be your entry point, and from this range to the range of resistance that I marked previously, you might have about 13% of potential profits, and you might be still up for about 9.2%. But I have to say that I made several previous videos and we caught this movement to the upside for the second time. Previously, I've told you right here that you can enter your position, enter your long position, and the price target was right here, and we gained about 23%. Then I made a video at this very point and I've told you that we have to have a retracement, and this retracement should land at least from the ranges of 0.382 through 0.5 and probably might hit even golden pocket range. And for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you might enter your position, your average price might be about $14.88, and from this range you might be up to the range of resistance for about 20%. Definitely very good movement, and I have to say that I made 3 out of 3 successful predictions. Definitely it is a very good achievement, but so far we have a very good price action, and I think we might hit higher targets. And what are these targets? I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this article. It was published on May 27th, and it says, breaking, NIO intends to build plant in US, report says. NIO's plant in the US may initially adopt a CKD, completely knocked down, or SKD, semi-knocked down, form of production, local media said, citing an industry source. And let me quote you this. NIO is hiring for positions related to making vehicles in the United States, suggesting the company intends to build a new plant in the country, local media outlet YSI report today. NIO is supposed to have the intention of building a plant in the United States. The position requires knowledge of US state policies and subsequent involvement in plant site selection in the United States. YSI quoted a person who has been involved in plant construction for Chinese car companies on several occasions as saying. And definitely it might be a very good potential catalyst, long-term catalyst for NIO and its expansion in Europe, and for now they are ramping up their expansion in the United States. Definitely shows a huge potential for this company as one of the leaders in EV industry. Next one, let me show you this article. We are on cnevpost.com, and this article was published on May 29th, and it says NIO and Tesla showrooms in Shanghai expected to reopen soon with city's new rules to take effect on June the 1st. And the main idea of this article that Chinese government and Shanghai's authorities easing their strict lockdown rules, and definitely it might be very beneficial for the companies because NIO didn't sell any vehicles in May in Shanghai region, and definitely this reopening might be very good news. Next one, let me show you this article on that was published on May the 30th, and it's titled NIO sees significant increase in new orders in Shanghai in May. And let me quote you this. NIO has an established online sales system, so orders in the Shanghai region have been good, local media quoted the company as saying. And definitely, despite of strict lockdown rules and despite of zero sales in Shanghai region in May. They still have their online order book with the high number of orders, and definitely this is a very good news as well, and that is why we probably have this increase in price for latest couple of sessions. But on top of this news, I want to show you another one. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on May 31st, and it's titled NIO is tipped by Morgan Stanley to see near-term rally. And let me quote you this. Morgan Stanley issued a research tactical idea on NIO on its view that shares will rise in absolute terms over the next 15 days. Analyst Tim Xiao said, the associated production disruption also adversely affects the ramp-up launch of NIO's new models and aggravates the market's concerns over NIO sales momentum. With gradual reopening in the Yangtze River Delta region, as well as the RMB 10,000 subsidy provided by the Shanghai government to consumers to replace old cars with electric cars, we believe NIO is well positioned to capitalize on such local stimulus programs and resume sales momentum in the upcoming months. Morgan Stanley has an overweight rating on NIO and the price target of $34. Definitely $34 is basically doubled from its current price, and this might be a very good catalyst that will help to reach my price target for NIO in upcoming weeks. And what is the RMB 10,000K subsidy? Let me show you this. Guangdong government announced at the weekend that consumers who buy a new electric car to replace another vehicle will receive a subsidy of 10,000 yuan. It is roughly $1.5 thousand in May and June. Those buying a petrol car will be awarded 5,000 yuan as the government aims to support the entire industry. And definitely these subsidies might increase the number of delivered vehicles, and it might increase the fundamentals of auto manufacturers. So, and let me show you that we have to see new data from the official NIO website of their deliveries in May, and we had the latest news that was published on May the 1st, and for now NIO's authorities didn't post this update, but it is morning in China, and I have to say that in a matter of next couple of hours we will see these results, and this might be also quite impressive or disappointing. And I have to say that because of the lockdowns in Shanghai, we might see some lower numbers in their deliveries, and that's why we have to be prepared for the potential pullback in NIO's price. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, with this week we touched again the range of resistance, and this structure probably has 5 waves in it. And this might be probably this might be the top of the 3rd wave, 4th retracement, and we might have this as our 5th wave. If it is the case, we have to have a retracement, and this retracement might land in following levels. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, because 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is nothing else but a 1 wave on a bigger scale, we might land at the ranges of 0.32. It is the price point of $16.48. Next one, $16.02, the 0.5 level, and golden pocket range 0.65, 0.618. It is the price point of roughly $15.5. Definitely this might be your accumulation points, and if you are a swing trader, your stop loss should be slightly below this previous bottom, because if this asset breaks the lowest point, it will invalidate this movement to the upside as a motive wave, and we will see lower price action and longer consolidation phase. And what are the targets? Let me show you on a bigger scale that our main target right now is right here at $24.4, and this implies from our average entry price about 63% of upside potential. But if you will enter depending on the price action somewhere at these ranges, and if you put your stop loss slightly below this bottom, your potential profits might be up to 50% to this price target. And definitely it might be very good potential profits in a matter of just a couple of weeks. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium impact. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.